All right, here we go. Good luck. VZ, one box of 14-15 Select Basketball. Haven't opened this in a while. Good luck. Let's see finally what's been in here. Got a blue John Wall. That is numbered 21 of 249. I gotcha. And a Zach Levine, sorry. A Brave Soul. We got a tie-dye. I'm going to save that one right there. Tie-dye. Anthony Davis, James Young. Old school product. Remember we used to bust the crap out of this stuff? Mitch McGarry, Prism. Shaquille O'Neal, Prism. Ah, thank you, William. I gotta go to the rookies. We got Scottie Pippen and Paul Pierce. Clee Anthony Early. Baron Davis, Prisms. Blue again. Joakim Noah. The Chicago Bulls. 138 of 249. And Danny Granger. It's been so long I even forgot the names of these things. We got Terrence Jones and James Young. Rookie jersey autograph. That is numbered 174 of 199. Got Terrence Jones and Sharif Abdul-Rahim. Sure. It should be in the store still if you guys want to take it to the store. Gary Harris and Sean Marion. Gary Harris is a Prism. He took his time with that autograph. Gold! There was gold in this box. There was gold in this box. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Stephen Curry. And Udonis Haslem. Select autographs. 64 of 99. James Harden. Alright, let's show this one here. See what this is. Yeah, Bruno Caboclo rookie. Roy Hibbert and Dave DeBusschere. The bus here, and this was a tie-dye. Jason Kidd, tie-dye city to city, dual patch, 2-color, 3-color. $24 of 25. Very nice. There's the bush here. And our gold. Gold in this box. There was gold in this box. Is it a rookie? Is it a rookie? Not a rookie. He's got tattoos on his left arm. Jeff T. Gold. Ooh, B0 of 10. B0 of 10. 3 of 10. Jeff T. Gold. And you had Andrea Bargnani. Thanks, Alex. And that was the box. Nice tie-dye patch of Jason Kidd. The rookie was James Young. We had Jonas Haslam and that gold, Jeff Teague. Good stuff. XVZ. Do not like my wrapping